Hello, I'll be talking about the bottom-up approach we employ for calculating the relaxation rates from a very theory dependent and MD combined methodology, taking the C5PY plus NTF2 minus ionic liquid as an example. So we'll be probing the 19F half spin NMR active nuclei, and we will be looking into the contribution from intermolecular and intramolecular relaxation rate. So we will be first look at the simulation details. So we had to run certain simulations spanning from 250 nanoseconds to 8 microseconds with reasonable force fields, 4,000 ion pairs, and the distance distributions are studied with the intermolecular and intermolecular contributions, and the dynamics has been computed from the time-dependent correlation function, which we take a Fourier transform to obtain the spectral density, which eventually gives us the relaxation rate from a first principles based approach. So, from bottom up, we are applying our recipe starting from the correlation function and then via Fourier transform to the spectral density and to the relaxation rate. And we have excellent agreement with the experimental data from the fast field cycling NMR spectroscopy that gives us the dynamics over a lot of orders magnitude. However, this is better than the fitting models to differentiate between the internal rotation and the overall tumbling of the anion, as this is a first principle based calculation, which is also taking care of the caveats like periodic boundary conditions and system size sampling. Thank you.